First of all, let us start from this side. The garnish tray. What we call the garnish tray. Garnish tray means there are different types of small boxes inside. So we can cut the garnishes from the different kind of fruits, and it will be used for the garnish will be used for cocktail or mocktails on the rim of the glass for the presentation. So it looks nice, better, right? So we can use the garnish tray. And before start the operation, before serving any kind of cocktail mocktail, we have to cut the garnish in different way or different styles, and you have to store in all the boxes of the garnish tray, right?
Yes, sir.
Your garnishes, your mise en place should be ready before start your operations, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? After that, the name of first equipment we call decanter. It's a big decanter, it's a small decanter. Always used for mixing drinks, always like chaser of the alcohol beverage. Any kind of spirits, if guest will place the order in hotels, what happen using these kind of equipments for chaser or mixer? Chaser or mixer always served by decanter. It's a big decanter and it's a small decanter. Now next is hurricane glass. Hurricane glass also used for mocktails and cocktails. We can say it's a tall glass also, same as a pilsner glass, used for cocktail and mocktail as per recipes. Next is champagne tulip glass. We always serve champagne or any kind of sparkling wine. Next is beer mug. Any kind of beer will be served in a beer mug. Sometime beer will be served in a pilsner or pilsner glasses also. Next is it's a port wine glass. We don't have a white wine or red wine glass. White wine or red wine glass, wine always serve in a white wine always serve in a white wine glass, and red wine always serve in a red wine. But we don't have a red wine and white wine glass. Okay? It's a port wine. It has a stump in very small, but white wine or red wine has a stump in a big. So it's look like as a wine glass, but it's a port wine glass. It's the same small hurricane glasses. We always serve. Yeah, we can serve a small quantity of mocktail or cocktail in these glasses also. This is next one is a brandy balloon glass. We always serve brandy in a brandy balloon glass. This glass is only used for serving of brandy. This is a champagne saucer. Any kind of champagne or sparkling wine, sometimes it will be served in a champagne saucer, or any kind of champagne or sparkling base cocktail will be served in a champagne saucer. Next is old fashioned glass. Right? In old fashioned glasses, whiskey will be served over here. Some cocktail will be on the base of whiskey based cocktail will be served in a old fashioned glass. Next is Tom Collin, and both are Tom Collin. It's a size and different. It's a big and tall, right? So they are different design or different types of Tom Collin glasses used for mocktail or cocktails, right? This is a small glass, also called as a juice glass. This glass always always used in a breakfast only, when guest will have a juice with their buffet, right?
Yes, sir.
Next glass is same in a mocktail glass, right? Mocktail or cocktail will be served in this glass, and this is also called as a switcher stick to stir the drinks by the customer, right?
Yes.
This is straw used for consuming the drinks. Straw will be in a different design.
Yes, sir.
These are mornings
Yes, sir.
in different flavors, like as a syrups. It has a sweetened flavor and made on the base of different kind of fruits, like any watermelon syrups. It has a watermelon flavor and sweetened flavor, right? Same as a mojito mint flavor and sweetened flavor. And next one is grenadine morning. It's a pomegranate syrup. Next is ice bucket. What we call?
Ice bucket.
This is an ice bucket. This is ice bucket. When guest will place the order for any kind of beverages, so definitely guest will ask for the ice. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So we always carry the ice bucket along with the drinks. Okay? So in ice buckets, you can always carry the ice and serve in front of the customer with the ice top, right?
Yes, sir.
This is a cocktail or mocktail shaker. We call it cocktail shaker. We can say shaker is a method for making a different kind of cocktail or mocktail. Yes, so first of all we have to add all the ingredients along with the ice, and you can shake it well properly, and you can strain, and you can pour the drink in a glass. That is a cocktail shaker, right?
Yes, sir.
This is a wine bucket. We always place the wine in bucket, and you can keep it in on the gas table also. Mostly used for red wines, right? This is a ice crusher machine. We have a small ice crusher machine. If you know, in a bar, if you don't have a ice cubes machine, though you can place the ice cubes on the top of the ice crusher, and you can use you have to rotate this handle, and after that you will see they have a small box inside. You will receive ice crusher, right? And you can use in cocktail or mocktail as per the recipes. Okay, some of the cocktail mocktail will be prepared. We always use ice cubes and crushed ice, right? So this is called ice crushers. Next one is lemon squeezer. To squeeze the lemon. Okay, right? This is bar spoon.
Yes, sir.
Long bar spoon used for mixing the drinks in tall types of glasses, right? This is a muddler used for different ingredients. So it will get, you have to press the ingredients inside the glasses, so you will get the juices and different flavor and aromas, right? This is called muddler, right? And the last one is this is a wine chiller. We call wine chiller. In this wine, you know, we always serve white wine and sparkling wine, because white wine and sparkling wine always serve chilled, right?
Yes, sir.
We call bucket, wine bucket, and this is stand, right? This is wine chiller. We always store the wine. First of all, we have to place ice, and you have to place wine inside the ice. So wine always serve at a right temperature, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is called wine chiller. These are all equipments which is used in the bar. Okay? As per hotel, as per different kind of hotel, there are different categories of equipments which will be used in the hotels. Okay? That is depend upon the hotel facilities, which kind of facility they are providing to the customer, and which kind of cocktail or mocktail we have to serve in the glasses. So mostly the similar glass will be served used in a hotels, and we have bar display, and here we have displayed different kind of bottles over, different kind of alcohol beverage bottle over here. These are the demo bar we have. We don't have any kind of alcohol in the bar. Don't assume that we have alcohol in these all bottles, but yes, we have a bottle for display and to know about the bottles for the students. Right? We have a different kind of bottle, like these are all bottles, vodkas from different countries. We have vodkas. We have a gin. We have a wine, champagne and sparkling wines. We have a rum. We have cognacs, brandy, and we have whiskeys, Scotch whiskeys and single malt whiskey. Okay? So this is a demo bar. What we call this is a demo bar. ATR restaurant demo bar, right? We are not serving alcohol over here. Is that clear to all?
Yes,
we are not serving any kind of alcohol over here. We are not serving any kind of cocktail. Yes, sometimes we serve mocktail to the customer, right?
Yes,
Is that clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Any question you want to ask? No? Clear over there?